Hello everyone, welcome to Superior Living. Today we are sharing 2 DIY IKEA hacks for your home. For more such videos, do subscribe to our channel. Let's start with our first DIY. So for this, you need one rug. I'm using an IKEA rug. Remove the tags. Fold the rug in half and then again fold it as shown. Hot glue it together. Also secure the sides. Now bring the other half of the rug above the original fold we made earlier. Hot glue it again. Now we have to hot glue the sides of the pillow. Your pillowcase is ready. Now it's time to design it. You can make any design. Either you can draw it with a pencil or just do a freehand. Over here, I'm doing it freehand. I'm making a super easy pattern over here. Let it dry completely. Once it's dried, do fill it up with the filling. Now secure the other end with the hot glue. Your throw pillow is ready. Now for the second DIY, we will need one IKEA rug and we will be transforming it in an African mud cloth rug. Using the black acrylic paint color, we will be making different designs over this plain rug to make it look more cute. I will be making 4 different designs over this whole rug. The first design I am making, it is a very simple design with the horizontal lines and the vertical lines. the second design, I am making 3 V's facing downwards and 3 V facing upward. For the third design, I am making 2 V's facing side by side. The fourth design I am making, it is a double X. Let it dry completely. Your African mud cloth rug is ready. If you liked our video, do give it a thumbs up and do not forget to press the subscribe button for more such videos. Thanks for watching.